Hello everyone. In a previous video I talked about PAMGuard software. I criticized it. I'm not a big fan of this tool, but I have to recognize it's a very clever project. It replies to a real and deep need at a global scale. I won't repeat what I have already said about PAMGuard in the first episode. In the previous video, you will find it in the description below the video. Today, I want to present some laboratories, biological, mammalogical laboratories, some biodiversity conservation associations, prevent them to be thieved, to be stolen, to be abused. I clearly don't say and don't think that PAMGuard is a fraud, is a swizzle, but there is something that already happened in the world of Cetacean conservation, and I want to prevent you doing the same mistake. Be careful, because in this world of ecological conservation, biodiversity conservation of marine mammals, there is some persons, some companies that sell to other companies or to some associations, to some volunteers projects, very good projects. They sell PAMGuard as a plug-and-play solution, as an install and use solution to detect and extract from sound files, by instance wave files, detections and importance of dolphins, whistles, moaning of whales, clicks of dolphins, clicks of sperm whales, etc., etc. I'm here to prevent you, to warn you. PAMGuard is definitively not a plug-and-play solution. If someone tries to sell you PAMGuard software, even already set up as a plug-and-play solution, as a ready-to-install and use solution, it is a fraud. This is a fraud. This is a swizzle. This is a sieve. How can I know it? First of all, because PAMGuard website itself explains and gives some methodological and technical information that, if you understand well, explained by yourself, that there is always a need to adjust PAMGuard software to be able to use it. I congratulate PAMGuard, try to reply to a really deep need at the global scale. PAMGuard is a wonderful project because it is an open source project. First of all, PAMGuard is an open source project, and it's the main part of its value, of this precious value it provides to every people that want to study and protect cetacean all over the world. But PAMGuard is definitively not a plug-and-play and ready-to-use software, and there is some people that will try to sell it as a plug-and-play solution, as a ready-to-use solutions. It's definitively unhonest. It's definitively a fraud. It's definitively a swizzle. So now you know it. You can contact me by email eventually, but I will, in the description, put my sources, including the website of PAMGuard that already explain why effectively it can be sold as a ready-to-use solution. Plus, there is some people, they sell PAMGuard detector trained with PAMGuard detectors. The problem in the detector, in the results that these tools give, you only have the positive detections. You don't have all the acoustic events that has been detected by this tool, but not identified as dolphin whistles, by instance. That is, negative instances. There is a detection of an acoustic event and then not classified or classified as not what interests me, not whistle of dolphin, not moaning of whales, not clicking of whales, but they are not indicated in the result produced. So the company or the association or the laboratory pay a tool that only give positive detections, and it's really bad because you lost a very important part of the detection, information that will be useful to check the performances of PAMGuard, of the performances the tool you used, and plus negative detection can be very useful to try correct some lack of performances. If you have negative detections, you can try to improve the system even if you're not fully satisfied by the first analysis. I won't explain more and deeper why PAMGuard can't be a plug-and-play solution, not in 2021 at least, because PAMGuard website already explained it. It's not a secret. And third, I'm not a big knower and not a specialist of PAMGuard, so I won't be exhaustive in the explanation of all the details why PAMGuard is not a ready-to-use solution. Of course, I don't have anything against PAMGuard project, even if I'm not a big fan, because during my PhD, as it was the main subject of my thesis, I wrote my own algorithms. So I appreciate to have a total controls on my own algorithms and compare it directly to the scientific state-of-the-art literature. But even me, I have to recognize the cleverness of PAMGuard because I wrote my algorithms in MATLAB, which is not a very clever use in order to share with associations, laboratories all over the world, because it obligates them to pay maybe €1,000 a year at least to use MATLAB language, whereas with Python you don't have anything to pay, and it's at least an as much performant language that MATLAB language. Nowadays, nothing justifies to use MATLAB instead of Python. I hope this message of preventions will be useful to some of yours. Try not to waste your limited means as a conservation trench, as a conservation project, as a study of Cetacean gathering of people. If you appreciate my arguments and my message, please can you put a up thumb. If you like scientific subject and particularly automatic detection of acoustic events, I suggest you to subscribe to this channel.